I am a man of destiny. I'm not just here. Say that. I am not an accident. God sent me to this world, and He has a purpose for my life. That purpose will be fulfilled. You see me roar, the enemies may rise, persecutors may come on board, yet I'm a man of purpose. My destiny will not be sidetracked.
What kind of
You
drink?
will be
What
strong.
kind of drink is it?
You will be stronger, and you will have more strength than you ever had all the years of your life in Jesus' name. Heart attack will not hold you.
Somebody here is desperate.
Palpitation of the heart will not hold you.
Fire.
Weariness will not hold you.